Dear learner, we'll complete our structure one by one now. Okay, so to cover that area, we have to draw a wall here. So we'll do it now. For that, I will just go to our STL level 1, and here I'll create a wall on it. So to do that, I'll just click here. I'll take an architectural wall, and there have a all 6 inch. So take it, no problem. And also we have the wall we have taken previously, you can also take it, but it's okay, just take generic 6 inch. Now from STL level 1 to STL level 2, I'll select that STL level 2, and here everything is okay. Just at which line you want to, or we want to draw our wall, we have to define it. So we'll take it for interior face, then we'll take an arch from here. Okay, start int radius. So I'll click here, then I'll click here, and again I'll click here, and I'll just click here. Just see, a wall have been created. Escape and just go to 3D. See, it's done. Okay, so when it's done, we'll go for our next term, and or you can do that actually. We can move it a little bit down. It's up to you actually, but it's okay. So when it's done, now we'll go for just see here. Here you can see they have some opening here. So what I can do, that I can click here, unconnected, and I'll take 10 feet 6 inch and then apply. Top constant 10 feet 6 inch. Okay, we'll resolve it. We'll resolve that later. Here it's not moving because it's previously we have cut it that side. So, and if we want to move it in top, then we have to click detach top. Then again I'll skip it. I'll just click here, then again by clicking here we'll click here attached bottom and top. Okay, and now I'll click here 10 feet 6 inch or 0 and then 11. Just here. So when everything is okay, actually we'll resolve that later by taking section. We'll complete that. So when it's okay, I'll just click on that all. Okay, on that all, and we'll replicate it. So to replicate it, I will copy and paste selected level, STL level 2 and STL level 3. Done. Not 6 inch, will not take any offset. Click it, zero, done. Again I'll click here and see here also we'll create a wall. It's okay, I'll delete it. Now we have to create our terrace. So to create our terrace, I'll just simply click here on that all by pressing mouse that, sorry, by pressing Ctrl, that all, and also it's okay. So when it's okay, now what we can do, we can extend that in top till terrace and apply. Just see, it's done, right? So when it's done, here also will create a wall. So for that, I'll just go here in floor plan, I'll go to roof here, and here I'll create that. So to create a wall, I'll just go here, wall, architectural wall, and everything will be okay from roof to terrace level 8 feet. Okay, and we'll change it, we'll use it exterior. So from that point to, we'll use it interior. So from that point to that point, done. Okay, so when done, and here also we'll draw our wall. So to do that, I'll go to 3D and I'll click on it. I'll just go to copy, paste, copy to selected level 3. Then okay, here I'll just provide 0 and apply. Done. Okay, in that side we have also completed. Now we'll provide a roof here, okay, or slab here. So to do that, I'll just go to terrace. So where is terrace? Here, double click, here we're in terrace. So just see, it's not seeing our wall or anything. So what we'll do, I'll just go here, underlaying. So for underlaying, where we want to see, we want to see our roof, then apply. See, this is visible now. Then again, I'll just go here, our floor, then architectural floor. It's a 6-inch floor. It's okay, as previous we have provided that. So now I will take a line here first. So to create from that point, I'll just go here, here, and here. When it's okay, now I'll just create a line, I mean arch. So from that point to that point and that point. When it's done, just click done it and go to 3D. Oh, sorry, maybe I have done a mistake. I'll click here. What is the, oh, sorry, there have the height offset value was available there, so we'll make it 0, then enter and apply. It will be available here. Perfect. So when it's done, I'll click here, and again I'll go terrace, I'll go edit boundary line, I'll take offset for 1 feet, 1, enter. I'll simply click that side, done. Delete it, simply click attach and go to 3D. See, also we have created our extension point here. When everything is okay, we're done with our modeling almost. And here I'll provide a here I'll provide a door for entrance. So to do that, I'll just go here again, terrace or roof, sorry, we'll go to roof, and here I'll take door, and it's up to you that which types of door you'll provide. I'm just taking a random door, and say take a door in that side. Okay, escape and go to 3D. Done. Here I have done it, right? So when it's also okay, now we'll provide our boundary. So to provide boundary, I will just go again roof, roof level, let's just go railing, then sketch path, which types of railing you want to use, glass panel, then rectangle, and also you can download the railings type from internet. Then pipe, so it's okay if we use handle, rectangle, or pipe. We are also able to change it later. So what we'll do, just go here, edit, duplicate, okay, and now I'll draw it. So when everything is okay, let's start from here. I'll just go back, and our base offset will be 0, because previously we have provided offset or some data, that's why. We'll go back, so railing line, take that line, and I'll go here, then here, sorry, I have to click here, then I have to click here, to click from that point to that point, then from that point to that point, here to here, then here to here, and from that point to that point. Again, come here, click here, then otherwise we can click here to create chain, then when we'll go, it will create chain. It's up to you actually how we'll maintain that. Escape that and press click here, go to 3. You see, we have created our railing also. Also upgrade. Now for here we'll create railing also. So again I'll go here for terrace. In a terrace level I'll provide railing, so same, I'll take railing, everything is okay, I mean same, I'll just go here, take a arch, or what you can do, we can click here, sorry, no, in this way we can draw it. Pick a line, by clicking pick a line, we can also create it. That's it. So when everything is okay, I will take a opening here. Here I'll take opening, I'll click it, I'll just move it here a little bit. So how much spacing you need actually, I can click here for 2.5 feet, it's okay. Sorry, highlighted line is overlap, so I'll just again delete it. Okay, it's done. So here I'll take 2.5 feet. Done. So when everything is okay, just click it, go to 3, see or that roof work is done, and here you can see that is opening, and here we'll create a stair to move, or to move on that, or to climb up with that data. Okay, so till that lecture it's okay, and in our next lecture we'll try to modify our model more. So in from our that ground level, from our that plinth level, we'll make a line till our ground level, then again we'll create a little stair here, a staircase, will create opening for that 3 portion. Okay, so thank you very much.